In this video, friends, I will show with you how to buy GTA 5 in Instagaming. So friends, go to Instagaming platform as you can see here, and then scroll down till see GTA 5 here. As you can see here, guys, this is for PC version. It is 9.7 euro. Just click this one. From here, click this option, guys, add to cart. After click add to cart, all you have to do, you can see here, add to cart, click pay. I want to click this option pay. From the payment option, guys, you have to pay. You can pay through Apple Pay, you can pay through PayPal, PaySafeCard, and Visa or Mastercard. Click this one if you have a Visa, Mastercard. From here, guys, write your all details for your card, such card number and card holder's name, expiration date, and cryptogram. So guys, and then click pay. If you want to on PayPal, just write this PayPal and then click pay. From here you will be redirected to payment platform, and then enter your PayPal account, and then you will pay with your PayPal. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.